Hi friends, for your STEM tale for this week, you're going to make a breakfast table for 8 for Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. Listen along to the story. Breakfast for 8 with Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs. Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs ate breakfast together every morning. The dwarfs were always grumpy when they first woke up because they were so hungry. There was often bickering depending on who sat next to whom. Waking up is no fun. Nothing is fun. Doc loves logic and writing computer programs. This sounded like a logic problem to him. Doc had an idea of how to avoid squabbles early in the morning. "This looks like a great idea," Happy commented. "What does everyone else think?" The rest of the dwarfs nodded, except for Bashful. Bashful did. "You have an idea too?" Happy asked. Bashful, though shy, decided to speak up. "I think Doc's logic will help. The table we have been sitting at is also too small. Ever since Snow White joined us, we are too cramped at the table. Let's split up the tasks. First, we will design and build a new table. Then we can figure out where everyone will sit." So friends, they need your help. You need to create a new breakfast table that will fit all of the 7 dwarfs and Snow White. Here's Bashful, Doc, Dopey, Grumpy, Happy, Sleepy, Sneezy, and Snow White. You can try to fit in the prince as well if you want to. Have fun!